Welcome to JVZoo Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how as a vendor you're going to be able to create custom affiliate pages for specific affiliates. Now you might want to create a separate sales page specifically or custom made for an affiliate, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Now we're going to come over here to the Sellers tab on the left hand side, and we're going to go to Manage Affiliates. From there, we're going to go to Manage Active Affiliates on the right hand side and view all of our current affiliates. Now, let's say we're going to take here, this one here for BBC Systems, okay? So let's take JVZoo, for example, and we want to create a separate sales page just for customers who come through from this affiliate. So in this case, just customers that come through from JVZoo, they're going to see a special version of our sales page, a special version that is just tailored for JVZoo. We come over here and click edit, and then here where it says custom sales page, we simply edit in the URL of the custom page. So we go ahead and edit that in, and then we go down here and click save. So every time we do that, we're going to automatically send them to that custom sales page